Hey guys, this is my 1949 John Deere Model R, assuming 1949. Now we're missing the serial number tag here. Some of the components on it kind of point towards it being an earlier Model R. It's got a throttle for the pony, no fuel shutoff. Some of the castings kind of indicate it is an earlier generation. This one's got PTO and hydraulics. It's kind of a neat one. Partway into the rebuild process on it, kind of slow going. It's a very back burner project. Cylinder walls are wore out. One of the pistons are cracked. It's 90 thou over already. I know it's very popular to swap over to a 720, 820 piston. But I bought a parts tractor. It's in real good shape. It's already all disassembled, so I know the parts are good. So this one, what the plan is sleeve this block as a parts tractor as a froze and cracked block, which is a botched repair on it. So get this one sleeved, put stock size pistons in it. Crankshaft has some scoring on it. Parts tractor's got good crank, so I'm gonna get this rebuild underway. It was my grandfather's, so it would be nice to keep in the family and just kind of keep it going. I could show you guys one of the pistons out of it. There's a Pepsi can for comparison. 5 3/4 inch bore, 8-inch stroke. There's a crack in that piston. They're pretty big. Yeah, cylinder head's good. Pony motor's over there, all disassembled, blown apart. Not blown up, just taken apart. Cylinder walls were no good on that. Rear main seal was leaking because the crank bushing was no good. Surprise. Yeah, I'm gonna try and YouTube this stuff, and if anybody's interested, let me know. As we go along, I can send you guys pictures, or I can post videos, show stuff, try and figure this YouTube thing out. Yeah, that's the project.